Okay, maybe you want to know that aviation aluminium. Do you care about this? I am not. Yilong. Did you hear this name? It's the name of the brand. I already made a review, but it was this small, cute, but powerful thermal printer. You can find link for this review under video. Compact, I think smallest thermal tattoo printer, wireless in the world. I have one more stuff from this brand. It's tattoo machine. F3 wireless battery tattoo pen machine with 6-stroke lengths. Nice box in the box, back in the box. Most important infos about this machine: motor, hollow cap motor. If you don't know what is it, use it in quadcopters, drones. It's, you know, something like that, small but very powerful. And for sure you can feel it with this tattoo machine in your hand. Battery 2000 milliamperes, USB-C charging, protection, function, model, output, short circuit, protection. Okay, it's not too much info, but it's most important information for tattoo artists. What you need to know. When you open, you see something like that. Looks nice, nothing special, but you know, pleasure for your eyes. Okay, inside I don't know what have to be here. Maybe a second battery, but I haven't. USB cable, long enough. Tattoo machine. Surprised, yeah? Adjustable stroke tattoo machine from 2.3 till 4.5. 4.5, it's, I think it's highest stroke that you ever will need. I know there are tattoo machines with 5mm stroke, but I am not sure it's necessary. I love to make lines. Any line works, even dot works, whip shading, stapling with 4.5. It's so easy and so, you know, it's really pleasure to make lines and dots with 4.5mm stroke. Easy click, not too hard, not too soft, perfect. 2.3, 2.7, I actually don't know who will use. I made few tattoos with this machine. I use 3.2, 4.2 and 4.5. 4.5 was for lining and dots, 4.2 was for color packing, and 3.2 for really soft shading, and it was really soft. One of the most comfortable adjustable stroke tattoo machines, I mean this part. It's not too much heavy, it's not too much light. I think it's optimal weight, optimal balanced. 3 buttons, turn on, color display. Most important information you have on this display. When you turn it on, you have something like circle rainbow, time of working, voltage. When you turn it off and push twice, you can turn on for start. When you push the button, it starts with higher voltage. Now sometimes inks in the tip dry and your needle don't want to move, so you have to push it harder. It's very quiet, really quiet. And my favorite last time, vibration test. Nothing happens. 8 volts. 8 volts, it's really hard and strong punch. Set 10 for example, it will be the same. Zero, totally zero vibration. A battery, 2000 milliamperes, charging time 2.5 hours, working time 7 hours, but I think it will be some longer with 8 volts. I made 2 big tattoos and still have battery. It was about 6 hours totally. I had 45% of battery, magnetic, but not so easy to click it. You must, a little push. You have O-ring here that fix it. Just confident, precision, or vibration quiet. It was really unexpected for me because I never heard about this brand before. I used thermal printer from Yilong only. Was really surprised that they made really good tattoo machine. It's not the cheapest one, but not the most expensive, even not the middle price. It's $229. Great machine for this money. Check the links under video. Of course, it's affiliate links. You can have a discount, and I have just a little money for support my channel. On the page you really have not so much information, just all you need: voltage, battery, strokes, charging time, working time. That's all you need to know. You don't, okay, maybe you want to know that aviation aluminum. Do you care about this? I am not. If you will need, if you want, you can open it, clean inside, sanitize. Really good tattoo machine. I don't make reviews for bad machines. Just order and use it with the pleasure. My highly recommendation.